Hello friends, today we will talk about LazyPay. So keep watching this video till the end. Please subscribe my channel Metra. Explore the fastest and most convenient way to get credit online with just your mobile number using LazyPay. Complete sign up by providing your KYC details, or do a one-time transfer of your balance. You can check your unique LazyPay credit limit to apply for a personal loan in app, and increase your limit up to Rs1 Lakh using an easy digital KYC process, by providing your PAN, Aadhaar, photograph, and signature. Withdraw from your credit limit to your bank account and repay using hassle-free EMI options at affordable interest rates. All your payments and EMIs are consolidated into a single statement. So you have to pay only one bill in the 3rd and 18th of each month. As one of the most secure and trusted online payment options, with LazyPay you can buy now pay later, in one tap at checkout and enjoy up to 15 days interest-free credit. How it works. Once you download the app, you are presented with a unique credit limit. Get it now and complete the form by filling your PAN details, salary details and address information. 2. If you get approved to increase your limit, you need to complete your KYC. 3. Once your KYC is approved, you need to link your bank account for setting up repayments, shop for gadgets, order food, book travel or movie tickets, pay bills and a lot more with LazyPay. Get the benefit of UPI, for fast and secure money transfers directly to a bank account. Scan and pay at multiple payment points with a unique UPI code. And send or receive money with just a mobile number. You can also do a free withdrawal straight to your bank account. Secure your card information for quick purchases on the go. Upgrade your wallet to enjoy higher limits on loads, withdrawals and payments.